Good day and good vibes to you all. My name is Devontae with the Camera Kicks channel, and today I'm going to be showing you a cheap audio setup for around 60 bucks. Intro. So today we are talking about this setup that you are hearing right now. A lot of you out there may actually already own these items, so you may not have to spend any money at all on anything. But if you are missing something, I will have a few of them linked down below. Okay, so let's start with the base of this setup, a simple microphone stand. I recommend a mic stand or a boom stand so that you can have the microphone as close to you as possible. This will reduce a lot of background noise by allowing you to lower your levels and reduce background hiss. I see a lot of people on YouTube who are using like long focal lengths and yelling at the camera so to make sure that they're heard. Just invest in a mic stand or a boom stand and you can have a better experience. Next is something that is only really important if you have a mic that uses a cold shoe mount, and that's what this is, a cold shoe mount. They're really cheap. I bought a pack of 2 good quality mounts for around, I want to say 15-20 bucks, and that's what's holding this mic right here. And most important is the microphone. Now, I've been using the Perception 220 for some time as my main mic, but I don't like having the microphone in the shot. So to mitigate this, I use my Rode Video Micro as a shotgun mic, held by the cold shoe mount and stationed right above frame with the mic stand. So put that back up there. I do have some other options beside the Rode, link below as well, in case you want to try something else. The Tascam is supposed to be a really good option, and it's battery powered, so you may get a little better audio quality. I have heard good things from other reviewers, but your mileage may vary. Now, to tie this all together, you need a good quality cable to connect your camera. And when I say quality, I mean you probably shouldn't buy a $2 cable from Amazon and hope that it lasts you. And don't fall into the trap of getting the gold or silver plated cables. Copper is going to be your best option. It's more conductive than both of them at this gauge anyway. So just try to get one with good shielding to reduce EMI coming from electrical sources like your computer and power supplies and everything else that you might have in your room. And you want to make sure that it's long enough to be moved and managed where you want. My setup now is, this is probably about a 10-foot cable or so, maybe 10-12 feet. 6 is fine, but getting a 10 or anything longer, that way you can make sure you have enough room to manage your cables and that it's not going to be hanging in your shot, and you don't have to do any weird type of thing to make sure it's not in the shot. And that about wraps it up. A simple setup that you can do, and you may already have most of these things listed here. There's going to be some trial and error with the levels, but once you find that sweet spot, it's a great setup. Try it if you already have it. If you don't have a mic stand or a boom stand, maybe have a light stand or something like that, that maybe you can kind of bootleg it onto it. But getting your microphone closer to you is really going to give your video audio quality a really big boost. Anyway, until you decide to upgrade. But till next time, guys, good vibes. Oh, make sure you like the video and subscribe. Peace.